Hello children, how are you all? You're all very happy and you're all enjoying the changes in the weather also children? Yes? Yes, very good. Now that we are learning about the seasons, we feel happy to enjoy the changes in weather also. Isn't it children? Now shall we recollect what all we have learnt in our previous session? Yes? We all understood what is weather. Weather is nothing but the changes in the atmosphere, changes in the air. Isn't it children? And we also learnt about what is a season. Seasons are nothing but periods of an year. The changes in weather that happen over the period of a year is called season. Why do seasons occur? Because if the weather remains same for a long time, then that period we call as a season. Understood, right children? And yesterday we have also discussed about two seasons. What are they? Yes, summer and monsoon. What did we discuss about summer season? That the weather will be sunny, isn't it? Yes, it will be very hot and we wear cotton clothes during summer. Isn't it children? You remember the days will be long and nights will be short. Yes? Yes, and we have also learned about the summer months and we learned about the monsoon season. Monsoon season is nothing but rainy season. Why do we call the rainy season as monsoon season? Yes, the monsoon winds blow from the sea onto the land. That is why we call rainy season as monsoon season. Okay children, you remember all those things, right? Now today in our session we will learn about three more seasons. As you all know, in India the climate is divided into 5 seasons. Okay, so we have already learned 2 and we will learn the other 3 today. Shall we start children? We'll go to our picture screen and learn about the next 3 seasons. Okay, come on. Yes children, our next season is autumn. Can you see the word spelling A-U-T-U-M-N? But we call it as autumn. The letter N is silent over here. Remember that while you pronounce the autumn season. Shall we move on? Yes, about autumn. Autumn period. It begins with October and ends in the mid of November. Autumn period will be for very short time children. It begins in October and ends in the mid of November for just 1.5 months. Okay? It will be for short time. And in autumn season, do you know children, the trees shed their leaves. What is the meaning of shed? Shed means lose naturally. If you see this picture, observe this. The trees are changing its color. The color of the leaves is changing into yellow and dark brown. And the leaves are falling down. Can you see anybody going and plucking the leaves over there? No, the tree is shedding the leaves naturally. Okay children? So in autumn season, the weather will be windy. And because of the wind, the trees will lose all the leaves. Okay, and it will be dry also. Okay children, and autumn comes before winter. We all know when will the Christmas festival comes? Yes, the Christmas festival comes in December, right? So the autumn period is ending in the mid of November. That means the next season will be winter. Autumn comes before winter. Shall we go and see our next season children? Yes. See the next season? It is winter. The next season is winter. You can see children here wearing sweaters, gloves. Isn't it children? Yes, they are doing that to protect themselves from the cold weather. About winter. The winter period begins in the mid of November and ends in the mid of February. Okay children? It begins in the mid of November and it lasts through December, January and it ends in the mid of February. How will the weather be in the winter season children? How will the weather be? It will be very cold. We can see fog in the winter season. We can even say the weather will be foggy. We see foggy mornings in the winter season, right? Yes, and in the winter season, as the weather is cold, the days are short and nights are long. The days are short and nights are long. Okay, children? You will remember that, right? Yes? See this? What are the things we need in the winter season? In the winter season, the weather will be very cold, right? So we need stockings, mittens, jackets, ear flap hat, earmuffs, woolen sweaters, all those things we need, right, children? Yes, why do we need all these accessories in winter season? To keep us warm. Yes, this sweater, see, it is made out of woolen. Woolen clothes are worn in winter season to keep ourselves warm. Okay, children? You will all remember this, right? Okay, shall we move on to our next season? Yes. Yes. What is our next season? It is the spring season. As you see in the picture, the spring season also will be colorful. Okay, beautiful flowers will be there and the grass will be looking green around like a scenery. The birds will be enjoying. We will also be very happy in the spring season. Shall we move on? Yes, about spring. Spring period begins in the mid of February and it lasts through March and ends in the mid of April. So what are the spring months? February, March, April. Okay, children, the spring period begins in the mid of February and it will be there in the March and it ends in the first half of April. Okay, children. So in the spring season, as teacher said, beautiful flowers bloom and we also get to see so many fruits. Okay, people prefer to go to picnics and all in the spring season. Do you know why? Because in the spring season, the weather is pleasant. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It will be pleasant. We'll feel more comfortable in the spring season. Okay, children? Now you all learnt about these three seasons, right? Yes? Shall we go back to our board and recollect about all the seasons we have learnt? Come on. So children, we have learnt about 5 seasons, right, in our previous session and today's session. Shall we all recollect what are that? So what are seasons? Seasons are nothing but the periods of a year. And what is a season? A season is nothing but the changes in the weather over a period of a year. Changes in the weather over a period of a year. Like we discussed earlier, there are 5 periods in our Indian climate. See, what are the 5 periods? We have learnt about 5 seasons, right? Those 5 seasons are nothing but 5 periods. The first period is summer. The second one is monsoon. The third one is autumn. The fourth one is winter. And the fifth one is spring. These are the 5 periods or 5 seasons we have in a year. And how will the weather be in summer season? Sunny, very hot, isn't it, children? Yes, and what clothes do we wear in summer season? We wear cotton clothes in the summer season. And can anybody answer why the weather will be very hot in the summer season? Yes, because the sun rays fall directly over the earth. In the summer season, the sun rays fall directly over the earth. That is why it will be very hot during that season. Okay, children? Now, monsoon season. What is the second one? Monsoon season. It is also nothing but rainy season, children. Why are we calling rainy season as monsoon season? Because the monsoon winds blow from the sea onto the land. Yes, our earth is divided into land and sea as we have seen on the globe. Isn't it, children? So the monsoon winds blow from the sea onto the land. That is why we call the rainy season as monsoon season. Those monsoon winds will bring us rain. Okay, children? You understood about monsoon season? How will the weather be in the monsoon season? Rainy. How will the weather be in the monsoon season? Rainy. And autumn. Today we have learnt about autumn season, right? How will the weather be? Can anybody tell me? Yes. The weather is windy. How will the weather be? Windy and dry. Windy and dry. So the trees all shed the leaves in which season? Autumn season. The trees shed their leaves in autumn season. Autumn season is the shortest season, isn't it, children? Yes or no? Yes. So what is the next season? Winter. How will the weather be? Very cold. The weather will be very cold and it will be foggy. It will be foggy too. Okay. And in the spring season, how will the weather be? Pleasant. It will be neither hot nor too cold in the spring season. The weather will be pleasant and beautiful flowers bloom in the spring season. Okay, children? Now you all understood how the weather will be in the 5 seasons, right? Shall we go back to our screen and see one picture about the periods? Okay, come with me. Yes, children, this is the seasons timetable. Like we have our class timetable, this is the seasons timetable. The first season is summer, the second season is monsoon, the third season is autumn, winter is the fourth season and spring is the fifth season. Okay, children, so this is the period. The summer season period is mid of April, May, June. It begins in the mid of April and it will be in the month of May and June also. And the weather in the summer season is very hot. And the next season is monsoon. And the monsoon season will be there for 3 months. July, August and September. The weather in the monsoon season is rainy. And the third season is autumn. The autumn season begins in the month of October and it will be only for the first half of November. It is the shortest season because it lasts for only 1.5 months. And the weather in the autumn season is windy. Next it is winter season. The winter season begins with the second half of November. That is, it begins in the mid of November. It will be there for December, January and till first half of February. Okay, children? The weather will be foggy, snowy and very cold in the winter season. And our last season is spring season. It begins in the second half of February, mid of February. And it will be there for March and it ends with the first half of April. Okay, children? And the weather will be pleasant in the spring season. It will be neither hot nor cold. So, children, when you observe this, you will be able to identify 2 short seasons, isn't it, children? What are the 2 short seasons? Autumn and spring, because they are for less period. Observe this. And if it is asked to tell the shortest season amongst the 5 seasons, the shortest one is autumn because it lasts for only 1.5 months. Okay, children, it is very important to remember this timetable. So, when you keep watching the video lessons, you try to understand all these things, and as you watch more, you will be able to memorize also. Okay, children, you will all do that, right? Yes, you are all smart children. You can all remember this. Okay, children, take care.